There's one. There's one. We picked up berry. Oh, yeah. Good girl. Oh, that one was red. Here, try this one. Yeah, that one was gross. Try the sweet one. There you go, baby. The red ones are not very sweet. You gonna try this one? Yeah, you pick that off. You can get that one. You can get it. Good girl, you get it. Good girl. My little berry picking puppy. You're so cute. Those ones aren't very sweet, baby. You probably can't tell the difference, huh? Here, you want to try this one? Here. Try that one. Yeah, that's a good one. Good girl. You're so freaking cool. You make good baby. Okay, come on. Olive likes huckleberries.